Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare Garmin Fenix 8 and Garmin Fenix 7. The Garmin Fenix 8 and Fenix 7 are both high-performance GPS smartwatches designed for outdoor enthusiasts. But the Fenix 8 offers several upgrades over its predecessor. The Garmin Fenix 8 featured improved battery life, providing longer usage time for outdoor activities. It also includes enhanced GPS capabilities and mapping features, allowing for more accurate tracking and navigation. The Fenix 8 typically comes with a brighter display for better visibility in various lighting conditions and may offer new health monitoring features such as improved heart rate tracking and additional sports modes. On the other hand, the Garmin Fenix 7 is already robust and feature-rich smartwatch. Known for its rugged design and excellent fitness tracking capabilities, it offers a variety of outdoors and sports features, including multiple GPS modes, comprehensive health metrics, and a durable build suitable for extreme conditions. If you want the latest technology, improved battery life, and advanced features, the Garmin Fenix 8 is better choice. However, if you're looking for reliable and feature-rich smart at potentially lower price, the Garmin Fenix 7 remains an excellent option. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.